How to unlock Facebook profile. Now, the reason why we lock our Facebook profile is so that no one other than our friends and followers that we accept on our account will be able to see the contents that we have on our account. So that whenever they stalk us, only those friends that we have or followers that we have will be able to see the contents that we have. Now, in order for us to unlock our Facebook profile, all we have to do is to tap on our profile icon right here and go back to the top right here and tap on these three dots beside the edit profile. After tapping on that, we'll be able to see this section that says unlock profile. So all we have to do is to tap on that and click on unlock right here. And once we tap on unlock your profile, more people may be able to see the photos, posts, and stories that we have on our profile whenever something is up. So all we have to do in order for us to unlock our Facebook profile is to tap on this one right here. And now we have successfully unlocked our profile right there. So that's how to unlock Facebook profile. Hope you help.